So I refilled the feeder before we got all of our crazy snow, and it's now the hangout spot. But you figure all the natural grasses that these guys are eating off down in the meadow when the cows aren't there. Stuff's all buried in snow. So they're here, and it's funny how right there off the handrail, they keep all the snow scratched off. So when somebody up top knocks something off, because when the woodpecker's up there, he actually knocks a lot of stuff off, and he won't let other people on the feeder, which is crazy because right now somebody else is on the feeder with him. But he'll knock it off, and it'll hit the handrail down there, and these guys will all eat, you know. I have 2 male cardinals. Look at that. There's one up top. And there's one down here at the bottom. Sweet. I thought I only had 1 male. I had a male and 2 females. I don't know. I know that this is the hangout spot right now. It's a cold day. There's a buffet right here. Right. Well, y'all have a great day.